Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace starter on Kia Optima, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts, then jack the vehicle, support it safely, and remove the starter's electrical connections and mounting bolts. Inspect the flywheel teeth and clean the mounting face before installing the new starter. Torque bolts to factory specs, reconnect terminals, and test cranking while the vehicle remains supported and safe. Begin by loosening the starter's electrical connectors, labeling wires to avoid confusion during reassembly, and removing the smaller signal lead first. Unbolt the main mounting bolts while supporting the starter so it does not fall. Inspect the old starter for oil leaks or damaged solenoids, and compare the replacement to ensure identical mounting, gear engagement, and electrical terminals before proceeding. Keep all hardware organized and clean parts before installation. Take photos of wire positions to speed reassembly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it helps me create more content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them under the hood for comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals. You can support the channel at no extra cost. If that link helps you, I appreciate a quick click as a small thank you. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new starter carefully so its drive gear aligns with the flywheel, then hand start mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts to manufacturer torque specifications and reconnect the heavy battery cable last. Reconnect the signal wire and double-check grounds, then lower the vehicle and perform a controlled crank test. Listen for unusual noises and verify charging system operation before finishing. If you encounter resistance, stop and verify alignment before applying force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.